really good job by Tarnue.
Tarnue, one of them, a junior college transfer.
Kekoura Tarnue, with that huge third-quarter interception last week at Middle Tennessee, really changed the momentum in that game.
Kekoura Tarnue with the sack.
Tarnue on the coverage there. He's their best cover corner.
That's a great job by Tarnue. They're going to do a sluggo route themselves there to the start receiver. He stays on top.
Kekoura Tarnue!
Both sides.
Big third down here. McCall under pressure and sacked from behind. He's absolutely.
There's only 5 guys up front to block. They sent a lot more, and Grayson both Tarnue too quick, too often.
Really did it, oh yeah. My brother, yeah, he took the sentence and he went to prison because I seen it, oh yeah. I never changed on him. He had fell out and I put the blame on him. He still call me. I got the same number. We been ballin' just like Andre Drummond. If you my dog and you Sally, put chains on him. I remember when Poli put chains on him. They was locked up. We been glocked up. 2200 on him. Elevating behind the perform. In the jungle, that's where I was born. I'm still trying to make it up out of that storm. And I never hated her, I put them on. I thought about giving up, but I kept going. When you get money, the problem be pouring. Thought about suicide so many times, but if I did it, who gon' be up for my son? On the way to the studio, high speed chasing the building and driving C-Scribe with a gun. I know if they send me to jail, I ain't coming back. Before I do that, I go on the run. All of my chain got BVS, I got red on the seaside, the side of the vet. I do not know if it's legal, but I'm walking around with a vest, but they shoot for my chest. I remember them time that you didn't slide when I went slide. I remember them days on G-Block as a kid, I done with the good time. I been buying all the ain't release, I went one time. Remember I couldn't buy them. I remember I took all the label, they tried to hold me back, cause they thought that I couldn't sign on the biggest. Now all of this shit is expensive. I'm out on TV, I feel like Diggy. Yeah. Why these 4 niggas be hanging on the bar, I'm the youngest, plus I'm the latest. Y-E-S, yeah, I go hard, I'm probably the best. Yeah, S-E-X, money, murder, you play with it, shoot at your neck. M-M-M, mayhem, murder, you mad, and shoot to the death. B-B-L, I dropped the check just for a big booty bitch. Roll it up under the cover, I feel like Future, yeah, cut on my wrist. No, she ain't add no value to me. You really think I give a fuck about a bitch? I treat the hoe just like football play. The beat bitch, know on the catch. E-A-S-T, Saturday beat it, know where I'm at. I know I did a whole lot of shit that I don't regret, I don't live with regrets. I could never hold a nigga, take your shit, bitch, I ain't living in debt. Top of the building like Willie B, nigga, I get up there, I get the beat on my chest and they beating me. I got the yap on me because without the yap wouldn't be where I'm at. Like the biggest, oh yeah, I'm the one who really did it, oh yeah. My brother, yeah, he took the sentence and he